We are offering you Qualcert Level 1 certificate in quality control. In today's fast-paced and competitive world, maintaining high quality in products and services is essential for organizational success. This foundational course is designed to introduce you to the fundamental concepts and practices of quality control. You'll learn about the principles that underpin quality management and the tools necessary for effective quality assurance. Throughout the course, you'll explore key quality control techniques, including statistical process control, inspection methods, and root cause analysis. These skills are vital for identifying defects, ensuring compliance, and driving continuous improvement within your organization. Mandatory units of this qualification are Introduction to Quality Control, Basic Quality Concepts, Quality Control Tools and Techniques, Quality Standards and Regulations, Inspection and Testing Methods, Documentation and Reporting. This course is ideal for aspiring quality control professionals, entry-level workers, industry professionals, managers and supervisors, small business owners, students and graduates. What is the duration of this course? The Qualcert Level 1 Certificate in Quality Control, QC, typically lasts 1 to 2 days. All Qualcert certifications and awards are offering through its approved training centers. For registration, please consult your nearest Qualcert approved center. Visit our website at www.𝙤𝙪𝙧𝙩 for more qualifications and information.